Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about simple past tense. Simple past tense, as you can see in this picture, are also called as the yesterday words. Like here in this picture you can see that one man is watching TV, because now I am saying that he is watching TV. But when we will talk about yesterday, we will say that that man has watched TV. He watched TV. Now, how to form verb in past tense? In regular verbs, we use ed with the root form of the verb, like talk, talked, phone, phoned, arrive, arrived, play, played, walk, walked, ask, asked. Now here, first of all, let's understand what is simple past tense. Simple past tense means these are the words which are used to indicate those actions which began in the past time and also got over in the past time. So here, this is the timeline: past, present, and future. Now here in this timeline, you will see that this line indicates the present time. Whatever is happening now, like I am explaining past tense to you, it is a present tense. Yesterday I taught you pronouns. The taught is a past word, past tense of teach. I taught you pronouns yesterday. Okay. Now future, as you know, I will be teaching you past continuous, present continuous, and future continuous tense in next chapters. So dear children, now I will tell you how to form the past form of verbs. Now the root form of verb, we use it in a present tense, and past form, first of all let us see about the be. Be is the present. In the present tense we use it as is. This is be, we use it as is, because many times you get confused what to write in the be form of a verb. When the sentence is in a past tense, that time we will use was with I, were with you, was with singular. Okay, and with plural we will use were. Here you will see this is plural. With plural we say we were, you were, they were. Now this is a simple past tense. Regular verbs, when with the root form of a verb we use ed or d, that is called as the regular verb. Like play, played, walk, walked, break, broke, run, ran. The spelling totally changes, so these verbs are called irregular verbs. We will see many examples in the coming slides. Now these are the examples, some past form of verbs. 101, irregular past tense verb. Now these are the irregular. You will see that they are not having any ed form of a verb. All these are the irregular verbs. Their spelling totally changes. So you have to learn the spellings. Be, just now I have explained, be is a present form of irregular verb. Past form is was. For singular we will use was. For plural we will use were. Become, became, begin, began, bend, bent, bet, bet, bite, bit, bleed, bled, blow, blew, break, broke, bring, brought, build, built, buy, bought, catch, caught. Like this way there are 101 words. Like here last one you will see write, wrote, win, won, wear, wore. So you will learn these words. You will learn the correct pronunciation also. Now how to form the negative sentence in a past tense. Now I was in class 4 last year. But this is the positive sentence. I was in class 4 last year. But when you will change it into a negative sentence, then you will say, I was not in class 4 last year. So with singular, we will use was plus not. And the short format of was not is wasn't. Contraction is wasn't. I, she, he, it. With these words, we will use wasn't. This is the short form, or you can write was not while forming the negative sentence. So let's see how to form the negative sentence when the subject is plural. We were not in class 3 last year. So here you will see with plural we will use were plus not, were not. And when we are contraction of were not is weren't. We were not, we weren't, you weren't, they weren't. So like this way we will form the sentences in a negative form. When the subject is plural, we will use were with it. Now interrogative form, past simple. This you have to understand very clearly. As you know, the first form of the verb, suppose first form of a verb is study, we say past form is studied. But whenever we are making a interrogative form, we will use did in the beginning. With did, we don't use the past form of a verb. We simply use the first form of the verb with did. Like, did I study? Question mark. So don't forget to put a question mark when you are framing a question. Did I study? Question mark. Did you work? Question mark. Did he come? So here you can notice that with did, we are using the first form of a verb. And this is called as an interrogative past tense. When we are changing the sentences into past tense or forming an interrogative sentence in a past tense. Now, did we go? Did you live? Did they meet? And at the end, we will put a question mark. Now, here are the few examples. Did you want to learn English? Now look at the verb. It is the first form of a verb. We have not written wanted. Did you want to learn English? Did you listen to music yesterday? Did he play football in Mexico? Did we live in a flat 2 years ago? Did she use the correct word in this exercise? Did they have like Rome? Now how we can form a simple sentences in past tense. How to change it into a question. I was late. Okay, while making a simple question, was will come in the beginning and the subject will come after the verb. Was I late? And then we will put a question mark after that. You were sick. You is a subject, you will come afterwards and were will come in the beginning. Were you sick? Then we will put a question mark. He was surprised. He is a subject. Subject we will write afterwards. Was will we will write in the beginning. Was he surprised? And don't forget to put a capital letter in the beginning while forming a question, or when we start a sentence, we write with a capital letter. So here W is in a small letter. When we will change it into a question, we will write the first letter in a capital letter. Like this way, she was from Italy. Was she from Italy? It was a big house. Was it a big house? A simple past tense is a verb form of a sentence that tells about any action, event, moment that happened in the past. Now here you will see positive, negative and question, which you have to do in your grammar book also. So listen carefully. I played. Is it a simple sentence? When we are making it into a negative, we will use I did not play. With did not, we will use the first form of the verb only. I did not play. And when we are making a question, when we are making it interrogative, that time we will say, did I play? Did will come first then subject and play, and afterwards we have to put a question mark. Here question mark is not put, but you have to put a question mark after each question. Now first one, you played, you did not play. Did you play? We played, we did not play. Did we play? So everywhere you have to put a question mark. Here it is not put, it is a wrong way of writing. When in the exam, when you will write like this, we will cut half marks for that. They played, they did not play, did they play? Okay, hope it is clear to you all. Now here is one exercise which I have made for you. Fill in the blanks. You will do it. Answers are also given there in the next slide. So first you do the practice and then you match your answer, check your answers. Like first one, I'm going to tell you, verbs are already given there in the bracket. I eat dinner at 6 o'clock yesterday. When it is written yesterday, it means that you have to write down the past form of the verb here. So what is the past form of the verb of eat? You will write ate. I ate dinner at 6 o'clock yesterday. Ate. A-T-E. Don't write E-I-G-H-T-E. That is homophone. I have told you about it. So you will write ate, A-T-E. I ate dinner at 6 o'clock yesterday. Now dash Helen drive to work. Yes, she dash. So verb is drive. You have to form it in a question form. So what you will write? Did Helen drive to work? Yes, she did. I think now it is clear to you all. Wherever there is a question, you have to make it in a question form. If there is a negative, then you will see with a negative and with did, you will use the first form of a verb. So do it. I hope it is clear. Keep calm and check your answers. It is already written here. Thank you very much.